Good morning, students. Namaste. This is the ninth part of 3D, that is in the plane exercise 11.3. Already we solved some problems, nice problems. Now we are going to start and solve the problems 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14 is also there. Ready. The 10th problem. Find the vector equation. This is the vector equation of the plane. Already ninth problem is there. The same question, same type question. The concept of ninth and tenth are both same. Finding the vector equation of plane passing through the point of intersection. It is passing through the point of intersection of the planes, not point, the line of. Here, find the vector equation of plane, which is, here it is, which is passing through line of intersection of the two planes. There are two planes. It is in the vector equation. R bar dot of a vector is there is equal to 7. And R bar dot of another vector is there is equal to 9. R bar dot n cap is equal to P. R bar dot m cap is equal to q, like that. It is in the normal form. Two planes are like that. If they intersect at one line, not point. Suppose our floor, where you are sitting and observing my class, in our room, the floor is one plane, and this wall is another plane. The two planes intersect at one line, that line. Okay, now. Here also, there are two planes. They are intersecting at one line. Through that line, a plane is passing. That is the concept. We have to find that plane which is passing through the point of intersection of these two given planes. And also, it is lying on this point. Okay, now? Now, tenth one. Given planes are R bar dot of 2i plus 2j plus 3k is equal to 7. And R bar dot of 2i plus 5j plus 3k is equal to 9. Okay, now? That means, just wait. I have some doubt that the question is correct, or 3k, or just wait. 10th problem is minus 3k. It's minus 3k. Yeah. 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. Yes, okay. Now it is okay. Now, you see, this is one plane. Also, another plane is there. Just like 2 pages of a book. This is the line of intersection. Is it not it? Through that one, another plane is passing. Okay, the yellow color is one plane. The rose color is another plane. Through the line of intersection, the blue color plane is passing. It is going through that line of intersection of these two planes. You see, it is the plane 1, it is the plane 2, and it is a plane 3. That is, we need to find that equation of that blue plane. Okay, now, it is 1 and it is 2. Or otherwise, we change this equations. You see that It is xi plus yj plus zk. R bar is a general vector. It is 2i plus 2j minus 3k minus 7 is equal to 0. And this one, it is xi plus yj zk dot of this one 2i plus 5j plus 3k minus 9 is equal to 0. Okay, now this is first plane and it is second plane. Now it is you see this one xi dot 2y, that is 2x, yj dot 2j 2y, zk dot minus 3z. Okay, now minus 7 is equal to 0. And this one x into 2, 2x 5y plus 3z minus 9 is equal to. Now this is equation 1 and it is equation 2. Plane 1 and plane 2. Just like this. Now required plane that passes through 1 and 2, through the line of intersection of 1 and 2. They have to write it shortly. So it is first plane plus lambda of second plane is equal to 0. Okay, then this is the first plane. It is the second plane. Pi 1 means rotation for a plane. Pi 2 is the second plane. So it is 2x 2y minus 3z minus 7 lambda of 2x 5y 3z minus 9 is equal to 0. Which is passing, again it is passing, which is passing through through the point P 2, 1, 3. Okay, now so substitute 2 for x, 1 for y, 3 for z. So 2 into 1 plus 2 into 2 into 1 minus 3 into 3 minus 7 plus lambda 2 into 2 plus 5 into 1 3 into 3 minus 9 is equal to 0. This is 4 plus 2 6 minus 9 minus 3 minus 7 minus 10 plus lambda. This is 4. 9 cancels. 4 plus 9 is equal to 0. Okay, now you see 5 plus 4 9. 9 minus 9 cancels. So lambda value how much? It is 10 by 9. So that is the lambda. Now we substitute in this equation. Which equation? This is our required equation. Okay, now this is our required equation. It is say 3. In the 3, because we find the lambda value, and we are substituting this third equation, which is the required equation of plane. So this is 2x plus 2y minus 3y minus 7 plus that is 10 by 9 of 2x plus 5y minus plus 3z minus 9 is equal to 0. Okay, now 2x plus 5y plus 3z minus 7. This is 2x plus 2y minus 3z. That implies 18x LCM. After making LCM, 18x plus 20x, 38x. Will you agree? 9 2's 18, x plus 20x, 38x. 18y plus 50. Okay, na? Plus 68y minus 27z here. And here it is 30z, that is plus 3z. This is minus 63. This is minus 90. That is minus 153. Minus 153 is equal to 0. Okay, now this is our plane, which is in the Cartesian form, which is Cartesian form, which is the plane in Cartesian form, Cartesian equation. But we need vector equation. How can you change it? Serial 38. It is xi plus yj plus zk dot of 38i 68 j plus 3k is equal to 153. Agree? Okay, now like that. This is r bar dot of 38i 68 j plus 3k is equal to 153. This is the vector equation of required plane. Okay, now, which is the vector equation of plane. That is the 10th problem. Now, 11th one. Find the plane passing through the point of intersection, line of intersection of two planes. Here very clearly is given, and which is perpendicular to this plane. You see, Nana? The 11th one. Given planes are x plus y plus z minus 1 is equal to 0. 2x plus 3y, 4z minus 5 is equal to 0. So it is plane 1 and plane 2. Any plane that passes through 100, that is pi 1 plus lambda, pi 2 is equal to 0. That implies x plus y plus z minus 1 plus lambda of 2x plus 3y plus 4z minus 5 is equal to 0. Okay, now? So it is third. Simplification. This is 2 lambda x plus x. 2 lambda plus 1 x. 3 lambda y plus y. 3 lambda plus 1 y. Come, taking common. 4 lambda z plus z. 4 lambda plus 1 z. This is minus 1 minus 5 lambda. Minus of 1 plus 5 lambda is equal to 0. Okay, then minus 1 minus 5 lambda. Taking minus s comma, put it in bracket. So that is the required plane which is passing through the line of intersection of first two planes. Okay. This is perpendicular, which is perpendicular to the plane x minus y plus z is equal to 0. It is a perpendicular to this one. A plane is like that, another plane is a perpendicular. And its normal is there, its normal also there. So both are at right angles. If planes are right angle, then their normals are also right angle. You see, suppose is a plane, another plane is like this. It is another plane. It is a perpendicular. So its normals in the two dimensions is not possible. I will clearly tell. Suppose it is a plane and it is another plane. Both are perpendicular like this. They are perpendicular. And is a normal. And here is another normal. These two normals are also perpendicular. Try to understand. Like that. By drawing the diagram is somewhat difficult. Okay, now, like that. The normal bias, that is 2 lambda plus 1 comma 3 lambda plus 1, 4 lambda plus 1. It is one set. And 1 comma minus 1 comma 1. The constants of x 1 minus 1 is z. The constant of x, y, z here also the same. These two sets, it is L1, M1, L1, L2, M2, N2. Since they are perpendicular, L1, L2, M1, M2, N1, N2 is equal to 0, So here it is 2 lambda plus 1 into that 1 minus 1 into 3 lambda plus 1. 1 into 4 lambda plus 1 is equal to 2 lambda minus 3 lambda plus 4 lambda, 3 lambda. 1 minus 1 cancels, plus 1 is equal to lambda is equal to minus 1 by 3. Is it correct? 2 lambda minus 3 lambda minus lambda plus 4 lambda, 3 lambda. 1 minus 1 cancels, plus 1 is there. So 1 is equal, lambda is equal to 1 by minus 1 by 3. Okay, then, so we get the lambda value. Now in this 3, if you substitute, we get the required plane. Required plane is x plus y plus z minus 1 plus lambda means minus 1 by 3 into 2x plus 3y plus 4z minus 5 is equal to 0. It is 3x plus 3y, 3z minus 3 minus 2x minus 3y minus 4z plus 5 is equal to 0. 3x minus 2x, x, 3y, 3y cancels. 3z minus 4 minus z, it is plus 2 is equal to 0. So that is required plane. Okay, then that is the equation of a plane in Cartesian form. If you are asked in a vector which is Cartesian form, which is in Cartesian form. Suppose we are asked to find the vector equation, also I will write. This is x minus z is equal to minus 2 now. That is minus x plus z is equal to 2 now. That means xi plus yj plus zk, that is r bar dot of minus I plus k, minus I plus k capital. J is not there, is equal to 2. That is r bar dot of minus I plus k is equal to 2. We have to write like this one. Okay, no? Because xi minus ij, that is minus x. J not there. So k dot k, z into 1 z is equal to 2. So we get like that. This is a vector equation. It is a vector equation of a required plane. Okay, na? Like that we have to solve. It is important. Okay, na? Next we will go to 13th problem. I will explain. Just